Hey, Mike, can we talk for a minute?
Sure, what's up, Tom?
Well, I've been feeling a bit frustrated lately about our plans, you know.
Oh, really? What's bothering you, buddy?
It's just that it seems like, every time we plan to watch a movie together, something comes up, and they get cancelled last minute. I end up feeling like I'm disturbing your schedule all the time.
I'm really sorry about that, Tom. I never meant to make you feel that way. Life's just been a bit hectic lately.
I understand that, but it's been happening quite frequently, and it's getting me down. I always look forward to our movie nights, and when they fall through, it's disappointing.
You're right. I've been too impulsive when making plans to watch movies, and not considering your schedule or feelings. I should have communicated better.
Thanks for acknowledging that, Mike. I think it would be helpful if we could discuss our movie nights a bit earlier and make sure they work for both of us.
Yeah, that makes sense. I'm usually spontaneous, but I should take your schedule into account too, especially when it's a movie we both want to watch.
I appreciate your spontaneity, Mike. But it would be great if we could find a balance between being spontaneous and planning ahead for our movie nights.
You're right, buddy. I promise to be more considerate in the future, especially when it comes to our movie plans.
Thanks, Mike. That means a lot to me. It's just that sometimes I feel like I'm not a priority when our movie nights keep falling through.
I never meant for you to feel that way, Tom. You're definitely a priority in my life. I guess I haven't been showing it properly.
I know you care about our friendship. And I do too. That's why I wanted to talk to you about this. I don't want any misunderstandings to affect our relationship, especially over something as fun as movie nights.
I'm glad you brought it up, Tom. Our friendship means a lot to me as well. I'll do my best to make sure our movie nights are more solid in the future.
Thanks, Mike. That's all I wanted to discuss. I didn't want to keep these feelings bottled up, especially when all I really want is to enjoy our movie nights together.
I'm glad you opened up, Tom. Communication is key in any friendship, and I'm here to listen and make things better, especially for our movie nights.
I appreciate that, Mike. I feel much better now that we've talked about it. Let's make our movie nights something to look forward to.
Tom, I'm committed to being a better friend and making our movie nights a success. Let's plan the next one together, so it works for both of us.
That's all I wanted to hear, Mike. Thanks for being such a great friend and for being willing to improve our movie nights.
Thank you, Tom, for being honest with me. Our friendship is important to me, and I'm committed to making it even better, starting with our next movie night.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.